The dash cam magically fucking works again. I can't believe it. I used my patented J reset procedure. No, I can't tell you what that is because I don't know what the fuck I did. But now, if I put the ignition on, there's a red light. Screen comes up with a picture of a car. And that, if you notice in the upper right, it just went to 0. And now it's counting. It's recording. You saw the white car go by. And that obviously is what's there across the street. It just magically works now. I can't believe it. I haven't tried, but let's try now. If I hit the menu button, see if anything happens. Doesn't appear to. The little flashy thing in the corner is like the battery charging thing. So apparently the buttons don't want to work in the screen. Probably because it fell. Let me do that and that so it stops dinging. It'll stop in a moment. Ah, good. So I don't know if it fell down too many times or what. So the buttons on it don't work, but at least it fucking records now, and that's really all I need. And now if I shut the ignition off, it'll count for, 10, 12, 15 seconds. You can see the cars go by. There's a guy coming by. And then it clears, picture of the car, and it's off. So it works now. I don't know what happened or what I did, but it works, and that's what counts. So there we go. Another video done. Hopefully it'll just stay working and that's it. And when it doesn't anymore, I'll buy another $10 dash cam. Because I could buy a $100 dash cam and have the same problems because they're all made in China. So thanks for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.